Have you ever wondered why certain stories dominate your social media feeds or TV scenes, while others is barely get mentioned? That's the agenda setting theory in action. It's the idea that media tell us what to think, but rather what to think about. By choosing which topic to highlight, the media shape public priorities, influences, and what we consider important. Let me give you a real life example. During the COVID-19 pandemic, news outlets consistently reported on health protocols, vaccination updates, and economic impacts.
We have a new
By
name
emphasizing
for the
those topics,
coronavirus. The World Health
the media
Organization
shaped the
officially
public
called it
focus,
COVID.
The government
prompting
has issued
the
a
governments,
start
businesses, and the public to take precaution, including wear masks and getting vaccinated. This triggered a chain reaction policies were implemented. Behavior shifts and lives were protected because those issues were put at the top of the public agenda. So why is the agenda setting theory is important in communication? Because it highlights the power of information. It reminds us that the media has a huge responsibility to highlight the truthful and impactful issues, and as we audience need to critically evaluate that information we consume. Understanding agenda setting theory help us see how public opinion is shaped and empower us to engage with the media more thoughtfully. After all, staying informed is the first step to make a difference.